So what have you been doing? What's this? Have you been swallowing the Christmas decorations again? Come on then. Let's get them out before Mrs. Sock finds them. Yeah, there's one. What about what have we got down here? How many did you swallow? 1, 2. Oh, there's another one. Oh, come on. Does that tickle? Right. Anything? Honestly, she'll kill you. If she finds it, she'll stop wriggling. She'll kill you. That's right. She will. She will. She will. And what else have we got? Come on, let's get this down. Come on, keep moving. That's it. That's it. That's it. And then, how did you get that up there? Right. Okay then. Right. Let's. Something else. Okay. Let's have a look then. Off we go. And oh, that sounded nasty. Right, ready? Here it goes. How did you do that? I guess that's what they call the magic of Christmas, isn't it? Okay then. Anything else? You sure? Okay. Well, don't let Mrs. Sock know because she'll be very cross. Okay. Don't swallow the frying pan again.